Hi. So my name is Donald from Korea as a marketing senior director. So I'm responsible for the mobile. We apply the new technology that we remove the whole IC and the magnetic sensor. So meaning is that so when the user is folding like that, then the display should be off, right? So we apply the new technology, so this area and this area divided, and the configurable, we can mapping some channels in TX and RX. So we can detect automatically the distance, the upper side and the downside. So we can detect like that. You can
Just by the capacitive touch sensor
Yes.
can measure distance.
distance, the CAFO. We call
It's
the
a
CAFO.
very intelligent algorithm.
Very intelligent algorithm. So we can make the threshold. So you see that this one is very thin, but like that, we can off the display. So we can configurably make a threshold. So different when is the display is off.
You choose when it's off.
Exactly. Yeah.
Nice.
So
So in this way, you can save components, make it
Save
cheaper,
components, of course.
thinner device.
Yeah, our customers always get a benefit to reduce their BOM cost to magnetic. They can remove the whole IC as well. This one is the stable performance as well as the very cool features. So for free for customers. So this is very incredible our skill these days. The capacitive sensor is very weak for the water. So if the pouring the rain or water, sweating, so automatically the working is a malfunction is occurred. But this is our demo to even like a pouring like that. So there are nothing. So very stable performance. Show the very performance. When this responds only my finger.
Nice.
Yeah. It's very
So in all weather,
features. Yeah.
the capacitive touch algorithm is smart enough to understand where you're touching.
Right. And we improved a lot for our algorithm and our touch sensing scheme. And this is one of the example that some kind of a rider in the outside is raining. He used some kind of a glove. So this is working. Glove is working. So
Nice.
very robust working. So this is not a magic. This is the Synaptics technology.
And if it's frozen under an ice, it's still gonna work? I'm joking. That's too much. So there's like all weather,
Yeah.
all gloves,
Yes.
foldable,
Yes. Right. It's
the best class capacitive touch
Yeah, we believe.
devices
We believe.
in the world.
Yeah. So so this kind of a foldable phone, so display is very thin. So we call the flexible OLED display. So that arises many noise for the touch. So we need to mitigate that kind of all the noise, and then we can add this kind of a feature like the moisture and the cool cathode feature, something like that. So yeah, we believe that the Synaptics is still leading the touch.
Many years of leading this industry. And can you say a little bit how it's developed? Who are the geniuses making these algorithms?
So actually, our the genius, the architecture team, of course, and also we are very frequently and tightly communicate with our customers. So very good ideas sometimes it's come from our customers. So we are always making the regular technical session with our customers for 3 months, every 3 months something. So we got some idea and we started to implement like that way.
Some of your customers make amazing devices.
Yeah.
And they are like, hey, we want a great touch. And then you have to work months before to make it great.
Yeah. So we have very good relationship. Every our OEMs with a flagship.
Like there's some examples. There are many different brands.
Yeah. So all the China and the Korea. So their flagship, they really want to high technology into the flagship. So that is all the Synaptics solution. So that is the evidence. So
I was wondering if very advanced AI can help you make even better algorithm.
Definitely. You're very genius, smart. So it's correct. So we can using our hybrid sensing and some machine learning technology inside of it. So we can define some patterns, noise patterns, and then we can mitigate it. So definitely, yeah, you're correct. So we can use the AI.
So there's AI on the device.
Yeah.
But I also wonder if there's
Small.
AI for the engineer who's developing the algorithm
Yes.
to maybe find new solutions that nobody think about to make it even better. Does that make
yeah.
sense?
Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. So yeah, some patterns, some persons is touching very slowly, but the young people is very fast. So we can learning that kind of the pattern, and then we can apply to the our algorithm. This one is the final our the solution. So actually we have the IoT product like this is a Sony controller, for example. So there's this small touchpad is here. So you can see that some cursor is working like that, right?
Oh, nice.
So this is also the Synaptics technology to very small IC and the implement
On
it
the controller.
on the controller. So also the button is also we. So our works and the products is in the mobile phone and the IoT, and so even we have a bigger one. But yeah, so that is our portfolio for the things.